Hey guys, Mark Berry here once again with another quick review video. Something in my mouth. So when I'm hiking, as you all know, I take a lot of pictures, I take a lot of video, I'm constantly on my phone, constantly with the GoPro, constantly shooting and draining battery life. Well, to keep everything charged up, this is my number one battery charger that I keep in my backpack. The Pocket Juice. This is a 15,000 mAh or milliamperes an hour or what. I'm not very technical on all that, but this is a 15,000. They make them in 6,000, 10,000, 12,000, I believe. I've had this one for almost 12 years, or 12 years, 2 years now. 2 years now. It hasn't failed me yet. I can charge my phone 5 to 6 times with this. Would much rather charge my phone with this than plugging it in the outlet because this charges it so much faster. Another thing I like is like this non-slip grip here. It's very kind of rubbery. It's almost like an anti-slip. It has an indicator here. You press this button right there and it shows you how charged. So this is a 1 bar, so it's almost dead actually. And it has 2 USBs, so you can charge 2 phones at once. I usually will charge my phone and my GoPro. The only drawback I really have from this is, one, it's kind of heavy. It's 11 to 12 ounces for the 15,000. So it's kind of heavy, but it's worth it to be able to charge your device that many times. Number two, the second problem I have with this, it takes forever to charge this to 100%. And I mean, I plug it in the wall and it's about 24 hours that it takes to charge this 100%. However, that is a small price to pay when you can be out for a whole weekend and not have to worry about your phone dying, because you can charge your phone up to 5 times with this, maybe 6, depending on what kind of phone you have. I also have a Mophie, which is a little battery charger here. Same thing, 2 USBs, has the indicator on there. This is only a 6,000, so even though it's only like 5 or 6 ounces, it only charges your phone like 1 time. So I've had this thing fully charged and it's definitely let me down because it dies fast and it doesn't charge your phone as quickly as the Pocket Juice here. So I'm gonna put a link in the description for both of these if you want. Probably not this one as much, but definitely this one. Check it out. They have different sizes and everything. You won't be disappointed with it. Hit that subscribe button, and as always guys, thanks for watching.